Full stack development is so much in demand right now that all the companies are hiring full stack developer, and this is a great chance for our freshers to get into software industry with a great company and a great package. My name is Arjit Verma and I'm a senior software developer and trainer at Softpro India. In the past 10 years of experience, I've worked with companies like American Express, Johnson & Johnson and HCL Technologies, and now is your chance to become a full stack developer like me with Softpro India ETP, which is Lucknow'S first job assured program where you will learn Stack over the course of 90 days, and we assure you a job of 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs after successful completion of the program. With ETP by Softpro, you will realize you have never experienced learning like this ever before. There are no videos, no tutorials. It is a complete practical-based learning course where you will learn one of the most in-demand tech stack of 2022, which is Stack, by building 7 lifelike projects. Now let's talk about the course and the projects in detail. You will start by getting familiar with the development workflow. We will look at how technologies like AWS and Google Cloud work. We will also have a look at how Linux operating system works and how we can access remote cloud machines using Linux. After that, we will move to understand version control systems like Git, and we will also have a look at IDEs like VS Code. Next, we will move to the world of front-end development by building 2 projects. Your first project will be called Web Profile, where you will build a complete web page showcasing your skills and the technologies you have worked on. We'll also include all the projects that you have worked on, and we will see how we can make it interactive using CSS and JavaScript. After completion of this project, you will have a good understanding of HTML, CSS, and pure vanilla JavaScript. Your second project will be called Project Base, which is a project management application that we will build using serverless tech stack. We will see how we can integrate our front end to a database without using any middleware or any server. After completion of this project, you will have a good understanding of how React works and how we can integrate our React application to our Firebase database. For our third application, we will be building a web-based real-time chatting application much like WhatsApp Web. We will see how we can connect our front end to our real-time database and send and fetch data from our database without any page reload, just based on simple user action. Ultimately, we will learn how to deploy this application on Vercel so that all of our users can use it. After mastering front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, along with UI development frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, it will be time to move on to backend coding with Node.js. Our fourth project is called Softcart, which is an e-commerce platform for software application. In this project, we will see how we can create REST APIs for our e-commerce application using Express and Node.js, and we will also see how we can integrate these APIs with our React front-end application. We will also work with third-party payment gateways and their APIs such as Razorpay and PayU. For this project, our choice of database will be MySQL, and after completing the project, we will see how we can host both our front-end and our back-end on Amazon Web Servers. Our fifth project is called Nextstay. Nextstay is an online platform for hotel and room booking. In this project, we will learn advanced React concepts such as Redux, dynamic routing, and lazy loading our components. For this project, we will see how we can use MySQL as our database and integrate with our Node.js and REST APIs. After completing these 5 projects, you will have a very good understanding of what full stack development is and all the technologies behind it. But our coding won't stop there. Now it's time to move on to our 2 independent projects that you will build with your team in a very guided environment. Your first project is called StockChamp, which will be an online stock market trading application where users will be able to buy and sell stocks in real time. And our second application will be StreamNow, which will be an OTT platform for streaming movie shows and TV shows online. After finishing all these projects, you will become confident to take on any project, handle and work on large code databases, and also learn how to be a part of a software development team. And this is not all with Softpro's ETP. Alongside working on these projects, you will learn one of the most in-demand module for cracking any technical interview, which is DSA, Data Structures and Algorithms. After completion of all these projects, now our team will work on your career guidance, where you will learn skills like resume and CV building, self-introduction and interview behaviors, common interview questions, along with mock interviews for both HR and technical rounds. Softpro has already helped thousands of students to get their dream software development job in leading tech companies and achieve their career aspirations. So what are you waiting for? Apply now to become a sought-after full stack developer, and I cannot wait to see what you will achieve.